Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook comments not showing. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is on your comments. So let's just say, for example, it is on a post like this. And what you want to do is on the comment section, you want to change it from most relevant to all comments. In order to go ahead and do so, as I already mentioned, all you need to do is simply go ahead into your comment section and then click on the triple dot and it will show you right away here. If that is not the case, it could be also because of your internet. So simply go ahead and try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. That will go ahead and verify it. Then if you have any VPNs enabled, make sure that is turned off and also try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. If none of that is working, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Facebook just like that. And once you've done that, click on the Facebook application. There will be a little update button and make sure that your application is up to date. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.